Good morning, ma'am.
Morning, Mom.
Ma'am, have you done the chapter 1 of geography in class 8B?
Yes, beta, in all the three sections, I think we have done.
No, ma'am, I think in 8C only you have done.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Let others come. We'll see to it.
Okay, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta. Beta, only in 8th A the question answers are left. Rest all the two sections, 8th B and 8th C, we have completed question answers and we have started the new chapter as well. Right? Right, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Do we have any Tina Gangwar in the class? Yes.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning. Right? Can you put yourself on mute, Harshita?
Good morning.
Good morning, beta and Shade. tell me, in the class that I took with you on 13th of April, right? Am I right? Children? On 13th of April, we had a class together. So how much we did in that class, can you tell? Yes, children?
Sorry, ma'am, I didn't attend that class.
That is why you were not aware that we have done. Now, page 142 of your book. Class, page 142 of your book. I hope you all have the books with you.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Open.
ma'am.
Page 142, chapter 2. Chapter 2, land and soil resources. We were talking about the conservation of land. I think the table and the questions we did that day, right?
Ma'am, I think only the table was done.
No, up till table and the questions were also done. Harshita?
Okay, ma'am.
Harshita, if you could help me, beta.
And we have done question answers of chapter 1.
We have
Chapter 1.
We have done, beta.
Yeah, ma'am. We have started on the table.
I'm talking about the table that we have, no? On page 142, we did questions of that as well, no? Or we are about
Yes, ma'am. We have discussed in the
we
class.
have discussed, right? So now we'll come to conservation of land. What is conservation? Do you know? Anybody in the class? What is meant by conservation?
Ma'am, to save the resources.
Okay, conservation, we can say to save resources. Otherwise, if it is not about resources, what is meant by conservation? Can you tell? Yes, children?
Ma'am, prevention of water or land.
Okay. See, when we say conservation, we are basically wait. When we say conservation, we are basically talking about the preservation, protection, right? Right? Right, class?
Yes, ma'am.
So when we say conservation of resources, conservation of land, land is a resource for us, a very important resource. Lithosphere will every all the life processes that we have, it takes place on the land, right? Right,
Yes,
class?
ma'am.
So it is very important to protect the land, which is a natural resource. Fine. Now, what are the ways of protecting the land?
Ma'am, where you are reading?
I'm not reading from anywhere. I'm just telling you. I'm just discussing it with you. What is meant by conservation, right? Why do we need to conserve land? Can you tell? We have, land.
Ma'am, as nowadays soil erosion and that deforestation is also happening, so we should save land.
We should save the land. Okay. What else? See, land, we all know land is a limited resource for us, no? Is it an infinite or a finite source?
Finite.
It is a finite source. Finite means something that is limited, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, because land is a finite resource, land is a limited resource. So when we need to plan the use of land, we need to plan it in such a manner that we are not wasting even an inch of the land. We are utilizing inch by inch of the land, right? Right, class?
Yes, ma'am. We should use land properly.
Now, just a second. Let me show it to you. Fine. Board is clear to all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
When
Yes,
we say
ma'am.
land, right? Land. We all know it is a limited,
Source.
right? Land. We have limited land, right? Now this limited land, it has various uses. It has various uses, right? Land has various uses. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, when we say that
Yes, ma'am.
when we say land has various uses, can you tell me one by one what are the uses of the land? Anybody in the class?
Ma'am, for growing and in villages for making homes.
Okay. When we say land use, we are basically talking about the use of land for cultivation, right?
For agriculture.
Cultivation and agriculture means the same only, right? Then for building. Now, when we say building, we are basically talking about all the construction that can be taken, that can be done on the land, right? When we say building or construction, we are basically talking about all the buildings that we have, the infrastructure that we have, the institutions that we have, everything, the houses, the residential areas that we have, everything comes under the building part, right? Right, class?
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
mining.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. बेटा ये किसकी इसमें आवाज आ रही है? हर्षिता को ठीक है, चलिए. Then what else the land can be used for?
Ma'am, for mining.
Ma'am, also for
For
the
forest.
property, like in land only we make home, and by land only we make home.
Very good, very good. For mining, somebody said for mining. Then we also need land for the forest cover. If we will not have the forest cover, we will lack what? We will lack fresh oxygen, right?
Yes, ma'am. And the ecosystem will also be disturbed.
It will also be disturbed. Now, mining. What is mining? Do you know?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
What is mining? Tell.
Ma'am, I'm mining coal, diamonds, and golds.
For the extraction of minerals from the
Yes, ma'am.
beneath the surface of the earth. That is called mining, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Anji. Now coming to the another use of land. What else could be land used for?
Ma'am, also for
Ma'am,
shelter.
farming. Ma'am, farming.
Ma'am, farming.
Farming. We have
Ma'am,
written,
farming.
we have written farming.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
for
for
also
giving
the
support.
shelter
In
of
hospital.
animals and reptiles.
Yes. Or we can say it can be used as grazing lands,
Yes, ma'am, for cows and buffaloes.
right? And for habitats of animals, right? For we can use land for the grazing of the cattle. We can use the land for the cultivation for agriculture purposes. We can use land for building purposes or the construction purposes. In this construction or the building part, everything comes: construction of the houses, then construction of the industrial, setting up of the factories, setting up of the industries. Everything comes under the building part, right? Then we need land for the forest cover also. If we will not have forest cover, we will not have the wildlife, right? So
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
so land is also used as a habitat for the animals, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Right? Then grazing, the kettles that we rear, the livestock that we rear, that livestock or the kettles, they need food also. So the food comes from the grazing lands, the grasslands that we have. The kettles, they actually feed on those grazing lands, right? Then when we have to extract minerals for the industries, various industries, so that also comes from the land. Mining, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Do we have any Divyanshu Singh in the class?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Right? Now, all these usages of the land that we have, ultimately, overdoing of all these leads to what? Leads to,
Ecosystem
no, degradation. Leads to,
degradation.
it leads to degradation of the land. Now, what is degradation? What is degradation? Do you know? Degradation means putting down the quality or bringing down the quality of the land. Land is a very resourceful resource, right? Which has multiple uses, but these multiple uses that we are doing or taking, from the land is ultimately leading to its destruction. How it is leading to its destruction? Overdoing of cultivation makes the land degrade, or it makes the land infertile, because when we are cultivating the land, what we are doing? We are
Ma'am, degrading can also be done like when we grow crop, it takes nutrients from the soil and then the soil became unfertile.
yes, beta.
And when we grow crop and then the crop takes nutrients from the soil and then also soil gets some part sometimes degradation.
Very good. Very good. This also leads to degradation. Now, how construction leads the land to degradation? Can anybody tell? Yes. Yes, bache ho. Tell.
When the steel copper that the wire of steel and the cement
Yes.
the some particles जब हम वो soil पर टपक जाते हैं तो फिर तब भी soil में degradation होता है.
Degradation of child. Because see, all these material that is used for the construction purposes, they also spoil the quality of the land. Right? The accumulation of the concrete. ये जब जितना भी ये जो building material होता है, ये जब जमीन पे हम इसको डालते रहते हैं over a period of time, what happens? इसकी वजह से क्या होता है? Land की quality खराब हो जाती है. ठीक है? वो cultivable बचता ही नहीं है, वो usage के लिए भी नहीं बचता है, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Then how the mining thing degrades the land?
Ma'am, as when the gases from inside comes out or diamonds, we just take the soil and throw out anywhere, or some soil also gets in water. I think that can also lead to degradation.
Yes. Now what happens when we go for mining? When we do mining, what do we do in mining? We dig the land, right? When we dig the land, deep holes are made inside the land, and after the extraction takes place, when the minerals are extracted from the land, जमीन के नीचे से जब हम minerals को निकाल लेते हैं through extraction and mining, उसके बाद क्या होता है? We leave the land like that only. जितने भी हमारे कंट्री में जो लैंड एरियाज लाइक एमपी हुआ, मध्य प्रदेश हुआ, आपका झारखंड हुआ, ये आपका डेक्कन प्लेट्यू रीजन जो है, ये इट इज ऑल यू नो इट इज ऑल रॉकी एंड यहाँ पे पूरा का छोटा नागपुर प्लेट्यू रीजन है, वो पूरा का पूरा मिनरल्स डिपॉजिट बहुत ज्यादा है वहाँ पे। तो उन मिनरल डिपॉजिट्स को निकालने के लिए, एक्सट्रैक्ट करने के लिए क्या करते हैं, वी गो फॉर माइनिंग एंड क्वेरिंग। ये एक्सट्रैक्शन के प्रोसेसेस होते हैं। तो जब हम माइनिंग और क्वेरिंग करते हैं उसके बाद हम लैंड को ऐसे ओपन छोड़ देते हैं। वी डोंट इवन बॉदर टू फिल द पिट्स दैट वी हैव मेड व्हाइल एक्सट्रैक्टिंग। तो उसकी वजह से क्या होता है, अगेन लैंड की क्वालिटी खराब हो जाती है ना, लैंड किसी भी काम के लिए नहीं बच पाता है, राइट?
Ma'am, also when cranes dig the mines, their diesel and some particles of cement remain left there, and the soil is also
Degrade.
not digged properly, so it is also a symptom of degradation.
Degradation of land. Very good, beta, very good, right? Then when we say grazing lands, when we use land for the grazing purposes, what happens, the soil particles, they become loose because the roots are not there, because the land has been grazed by the kettles. All the grass that was holding the soil particles tightly, that loosens it, because no more grass is there, so the roots they become dry and they are not in a position to hold the soil particles. ठीक है, उसकी वजह से क्या होता है, जो हमारा सॉइल होता है वो बहुत लूज हो जाता है। लूज होने की वजह से जो हमारा फर्टाइल सॉइल होता है, इट गेट्स वॉश्ड अवे विद वाटर एंड air, and when it gets washed away with water and air, it leads to again land degradation, right?
Yes ma'am. Yes,
okay. जब ये हम कल्टीवेशन करते हैं बेटा, we all know that you know after the green revolution, हमारे कंट्री में एग्रीकल्चर में एक तरीके का रेवोल्यूशन जब आया था, ग्रीन रेवोल्यूशन, उसमें क्या हुआ था, मॉडर्न मेथड्स ऑफ फार्मिंग जो थे, कल्टीवेशन जो थे, दैट वी हैड अडॉप्टेड। उसमें हमने फर्टिलाइजर्स, हाई यील्डिंग वेराइटी ऑफ सीड्स लिए, हमने जो है फर्टिलाइजर्स यूज करे, केमिकल्स यूज करे, ठीक है। अब ये जो फर्टिलाइजर्स और केमिकल्स जिन हमने यूज करे, इन केमिकल्स और फर्टिलाइजर्स की वजह से लैंड हैड बिकम डिग्रेडेड, राइट? सो दिस डिग्रेडेशन ऑफ द लैंड, how with the fertilizers and chemicals it has become degraded, because these fertilizers and chemicals, they you know, they are very harsh on the land, right? They are very harsh on the land and they do not allow they don't let the land remain fertile. And moreover, the seeds that we are using, they require a lot of water. So because of excessive irrigation also, the lands have become degraded, right? When we use excess of water on, you know, on the land, the topsoil tends to be washed away. So because of this washing of the topsoil, the land becomes degraded, right? Now, because we all know that land is a very is a finite source, it is a limited source, so we need to conserve the land as well. So what we can do, just now we did the various land uses we read, right? Now how can the land be conserved? How can we conserve land? You need to tell me that, right? Just give me a minute. Okay, when we say methods to conserve land, right? So okay, you people can suggest me. Yes, Om.
And the first point which can conserve the land is we should avoid overgrazing.
Yes, very good. We should avoid overgrazing of land. Fine. What can be next? Wait, Om, wait. Manya, are you there? Manya, are you there? Manya is not there. Pavneet, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Anji, Pavneet, tell me. Methods to conserve land, or avoid overgrazing of land, as Om has suggested. What can you say?
What, ma'am?
How
Ma'am, please
can we
repeat.
conserve land? You need to suggest methods, measures. बताओ बेटा.
Ma'am, by planted.
Okay, we can say afforestation, right?
Ma'am, by controlling soil erosion.
Okay, controlling soil erosion. Very good. Very good.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, overgrazing.
ma'am,
Overgrazing. Avoid overgrazing of land. हमने बोल दिया. What else? Urvashi, would you like?
ma'am, to throw out waste mining.
To throw out.
Ma'am, measurement of vast land.
Ma'am, can I tell?
Yes. What? Yes. Whom?
Ma'am, we should use the fertilizer in equal quantity, and if we will use fertilizer from more quantity, the land will also get degraded, and the lakes or the well will also be degraded.
Exactly. We should keep a check on the use of fertilizers. Not much of fertilizers should be used. Right? Right, class?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Check use of fertilizers. Right? Right? What else? What else we can give?
Terrace farming.
Huh? Controlling soil erosion.
Ma'am,
When we will control the soil erosion, ultimately the land degradation will stop. We will ultimately conserve the land, right? So controlling soil erosion.
ma'am, measurement of fertilizers and ma'am, measurement of fertilizers.
Management of.
Fertilizers.
We can go for the organic ways of cultivation. Instead of using harsh chemicals and fertilizers on the land, we can go for the organic cultivation. We can make the compost, which like you must have read in sciences.
Yes, ma'am.
You must have read that how to make compost, and how to make organic this thing, manures.
Ma'am, khad.
Organic manures. Manure that we make, no?
Yes,
The
ma'am.
manures that are there, right?
Yes, ma'am. From earthworms.
Yes, earthworms are there. Then we have the cow dung. Cow dung is also considered as a manure, right?
Ma'am, food or fruit peels are also
Exactly.
used.
The peels of the vegetables and the fruits can also be used to make compost, and they in turn they make organic manures, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. So these are the ways by which we can conserve the land. I hope it is clear and understood to each one of you.
Yes, ma'am. It's clear.
Fine. There is a point written in your book, proper management of wastelands. What are wastelands? Do you know?
Ma'am, ma'am.
Ma'am, the soil which is degraded.
Yes, ma'am.
Wastelands are those lands which have not been put to use, and for many years, almost 5 years, no cultivation has taken place in those land.
Ma'am,
Right?
ma'am, and there.
Yes, beta, speak up, Pavni.
मैम जहाँ पे जंगली घास भी उग जाती है थोड़ी बहुत।
हाँ एग्जैक्टली, वीड्स जिसको हम बोलते हैं वीड्स, इट इज कॉल्ड एज वीड, ठीक है।
ओके मैम।
हाँ, हिंदी में इसको हम बोलते हैं खरपतवार, क्या बोलते हैं?
खरपतवार।
एग्जैक्टली, वेरी गुड, फाइन। Okay, I hope this part, land, resource, and the conservation of land is all clear and understood to each one of you.
Yes ma'am.
Yes, beta. Yes, Aditya wants to say something.
No, ma'am.
Yes. Now, shall we read?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So,
Yes ma'am.
we have Ahmed is going to read for me. Ahmed, are you there? Yes, Ahmed, are you there? No.
Yes, ma'am.
Are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Hello, read. Conservation of land.
Land is a finite resource. To make optimum utilization of land, its use should be planned properly. The nature of the land and the need of the local people have to be taken into account while preparing the land use plan. Unplanned and haphazard land use many causes serious problems like shortage of farmland, soil erosion, and desertification.
Desertification. Desertification. What is
Desert-
desertification? Desertification means making the land barren and not useful for anything, right?
Some of the measures that could be prevent land degradation are afforestation, planting of shelters, belts, controlling soil erosion, check on overgrazing, scientific 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 method of agriculture, control use of fertilizers and pesticides, con-
Pesticides.
pesticides, control on wasteful mining and proper management of wasteland.
Fine. Fine. So anything in this
Ma'am,
that,
may I read?
wait, well, just a second, bache. Anything that is not clear and understood in this or till here?
No ma'am.
All clear and understood, Ranshir?
I'm all understood.
Yes ma'am. Yes
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Very good. Very good. So next we have soil
Soil
resource.
resources.
Soil resources.
Soil resource.
Ma'am,
Resource.
may I read?
Huh?
Ma'am, may I read?
Ranshir wants to read?
Yes
Ma'am,
ma'am.
may I read?
Okay, just a second. Just a second. Tell me what is soil?
Ma'am, still.
If you need to define soil,
Ma'am, can I read?
how will you define soil? What is soil?
Ma'am, soil is also called lithosphere, in which every living organism lives.
Anybody else, Pavneet? Would you like to tell? What is soil? What is soil? Would you like to tell?
Ma'am, soil.
Batao beta.
Ma'am, soil is a thing in which we grow crops.
Okay, if I tell you to, if I ask you who is Om Saraswat, what will you say, Pavneet?
Ma'am, human.
He's a boy.
Why human?
Boy, student of class 8th B in SR International School, right?
Friend.
Your friend.
Ma'am, soil is the ma'am, soil is a
Soil?
mixture of organic matter.
Very good. Soil is a mixture of organic and inorganic matters, right? Or in very simple words, we say the top layer of the earth is called the soil, right? The top layer of the earth is soil, right? Right, class? Right?
Yes,
Now-
ma'am. Yes,
now-
ma'am.
Can you tell me how do we obtain this soil? Can you tell? How do we obtain soil? Can anybody tell? Where do you get wheat flour from?
Ma'am, from wheat.
From wheat. So where do we get soil from?
Ma'am, from bricks. Oh,
Rocks.
from the matter rocks.
Rocks. From the rocks, right? See, the parent material for the soil is the rock, right? Parent. Now, what is this parent material? Do you know? Parent material is the base. The base of the soil is rock. It is the rocks. We can say the various rocks that we have on the surface of earth. That these rocks are the base of the soil. Is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Right now, how do we get soil? Like, see, we have seen rocks are the solid particles, right? But then how can we get such a fine, soil from these rocks? Can you imagine how do we get? What could be the process?
Ma'am, by sprinkling water over it?
No. Oh my God. Can you sprinkle water on rock and can you get a soft soil out of it?
No, ma'am.
Then?
Ma'am, is the soil is like frozen on the rock? We can.
Yes, what did you say, beta?
Just a few drops of water and. Ma'am, a few drops of water on the soil which is frozen on the rock, and it will get soft soil.
Class 7.
The soil
and
will come down on the ground.
listen. When you were in class 7, if you remember, you read about the work of the river, right? Did you read about the earth processes in class 7 geography? You read about various types of soils.
Yes, ma'am.
You read about various types of rocks, sorry. Igneous, metamorphic, sedimentary. You read about that? Yes or
Yes,
no?
ma'am.
Now see these rocks that we have over a period of time, because of the chemical and the biological changes that take place, right? The chemical reactions or the physical changes or the biological changes that work over these rocks over a period of time, because of the weathering, because of the eroding of the rocks, we obtain these soils, right? Right class? See, making, children,
Yes, ma'am.
the making of the soil is not a very easy process. सैटरडे अच्छा डे है किसके लिए? पवनीत के लिए कि रणशेर के लिए? यस पवनीत. See, we obtain, as I am telling you, that the parent material for the soil are the rocks. The various variety of rocks that we have on the surface of earth, they are basically responsible for the soils, right? Right, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. Okay. We will continue the same topic in the next class as well. Till then, you all need to complete your chapter 1 work, and the next geography class that we have, I will take a small class test of chapter 1. Read the content of chapter 1 properly. Chapter को आप अच्छे से thoroughly पढ़ेंगे और चैप्टर के बीच में से, इन बिटवीन द चैप्टर आई विल बी गिविंग यू क्वेश्चंस, राइट?
मैम
हाँ जी बेटा।
मैम आप ओरल टेस्ट लेंगे या रिटन?
बेटा हम रिटन टेस्ट लेंगे, आपको प्रिपेयर होना है प्रॉपरली, ठीक है?